Same thing, a bit faster. Okay, these are going to be very fast 16th notes, but we can do this, right? All right, starting on D, we'll even start on the 8th notes. All right, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm going to count 16th notes to get us in. 1 and 2 and 4 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a. Now let's add those up strokes the next time around. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. And a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. D, C, G. Yes.